Minutong takbuhan to the second quarter of the game and 14 seconds on the shot clock and losing number 20 na iwan ang bukas. Hindi nga lang ng bukas. Bulas Reyes, rebound 14, Reed Jamel, losing number 11. And Gulay to Bulas Reyes, up play and basketball. Ano yung kasama pang foul? Unstoppable Bulas Reyes ng prime of Brooks Point. Officiating referee go for basket foul, losing number 20. Aaron Paul turns to Usman and Usman. Substitution. Bailing out in jersey number 22. Hit by your second personal foul. Penalty, one bonus shot for jersey number 11. Bulas Reyes. And Bulas Reyes 3 points. And 35, 5 to that's good! 20 points! And Rubio still by Mike Jason, Quijada. After going, kailangan Quijada, Rubio recover to jersey number 22 for example, not good! At may nakita ng bugulang ang ating officiating referee. And foul jersey number 26. Pushing foul and jersey number 26 Usman, third personal foul, penalty situation, penalty. Penalty situation, penalty. Now penalty situation, push and producing number 10, Dennis for your team, Reed Jamel. For the first throw, 1 point, second throw, jumper. Second throw not good for Dennis, jersey number 10 for team, Reed Jamel, 1 minute and 15 seconds remaining time. And Rubio DT1 for your team, CPBC Mike Jason yan, ang gandang pasa sa Usman, iniwas pa. Hindi niya lang kumonekta yung kailangan ng Usman for team, CPBC, run money! Sa minuto for the second quarter, ikot ang bola, Gulay to pwesto ng the triple play, not good. Usman rebound, jersey number 26. Officiating referee go for foul, jersey number 3. Jersey number 5. And putting foul for your team, Reed Jamel. 51 seconds remain time the second quarter, 51 seconds. 45 seconds, 15 seconds on the shot clock. And Rubio ikot ng bola, jersey number 20, yung aarang-ada para sa upunan ng CPBC, steal for your team. Reed Jamel, Gulay, 34 seconds. And Frank de la Cruz, yung iglet ng Brooks Point. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Diles, jersey number 10, aangat itong Diles. Short na lang yung Quijada. And jersey number 6, rebound. And officiating referee, going for foul, jersey number